Wow, it's a 20-inch rim and then a huge calipers inside there. We can see Porsche with their own 6-piston calipers with carbon ceramic discs. Today we have a special guest over here, Porsche 911 992 Carrera S Coupe. Okay, so this customer just came to us to do a full car PPF. It's a over 1 million car actually, so we prefer to our customers to do a PPF for this car. Yeah, it's a brand new car actually. It just came out from the factory. For some of other parts, we need to do a pre-cut method on the infotainment and then the gauge cluster and then for the center console. For doorstep, this part is actually very easy and high chances to get scratched. So we're gonna apply PPF for this part also. Krishna here from 𝙤𝙧𝙀 Car Studio. For other updates and videos, just stay tuned. Ciao.